Good morning, students. You are reading for class. Today I am going to teach about marigold. That means English. Today is the first unit to the marigold, and you know about the rams. The rams in first unit wake up. Okay, wake up. The rams. What is the wake up? Wake up. That means it is a here is a girl. She is telling to you and telling to us, wake up, and what is the work to doing in her daily in the life. And also the girl's name, that is the which come to the window still every morning, find Neha still sleeping. Okay, Neha still sleeping. And birds, wake up dear, wake up fast, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator, that means narrator, Neha gets up with a start, Neha get up with a start. And Neha, oh no, if it is if is it not the alarm clock, it is this. Okay, words tell to Neha, why don't they leave me alone? Why don't they leave me alone? And also narrator, even this wish of Neha comes true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no words either, but there is someone else, and can you guesses who it is? The big bright sun, he fills Neha's room with the warm smile. And I am going to tell about wake up. Wake up is the rhymes to singing with Neha, and Neha singing the rhymes wake up. That means wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It is lovely day. Wake up, wake up. It is lovely day. Oh, please get up. Oh, please get up. Wake up, wake up. It is lovely day. Oh, please get up. Oh, please get up. And come and play, and come and play, and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. And you can hear the buzzing bees. And you can hear the buzzing bees. And now, wake up, it is lovely day. Wake up, it is lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. Oh, please get up. Oh, please get up and come and play. You understand about these rhymes? It is much too late to lie in bed. It is much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress, and come on out. Everyone is up and about. Wash and dress, and come on out. Wash and dress, and come on out. Everyone is up and about. Okay, the next line, everyone is and about. The cow is the horses, the dogs. The cow is the horses, the dogs, and the sheep. The tunist chicken, chip chip chip. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. It is lovely day. Wake up, it is lovely day. So, children, you listen it carefully and singing in your voice in a sweet sound. You can sing it's in sweet sound. So you try to sing, and also I repeat it. And you repeat with me. Wake up, it is lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it is lovely day. Oh, please get up come and play. It is much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, You sleepyhead, wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the dogs, and the sheep. The tunis chicken, chip, chip, chip. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It is lovely day. So, student, you remember it in your own voice, and also you open your notebook and write some questions to solve. And I always say to you, that you solve the answer and take a photograph with your parents' mobile and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. Now write. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. Question number 1. What do you think birds say to each other in the morning? What do you think about birds say to each other in the morning? Okay. First question. And second question, who are already awake? Who are already awake? And also third question, which creatures wake up in the morning before the child? Thus, which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? You understand? Do you understand about these questions? I mean, पहला क्वेश्चन जो है आपका कि आप क्या करेंगे कि आप अपने शब्दों में चिड़िया जो होती है मॉर्निंग में कैसे जग जाती है उसको लिखना है जो आपके रैम्स में है। एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि हु आर ऑलरेडी अवेक, कौन हमेशा सावधान रहता है, उसको लिखना है। एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन, विच क्रिएचर्स वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग बिफोर द चाइल्ड डज, यानी बच्चों से पहले मॉर्निंग में कौन जग जाता है। ओके। एंड सेकंड पॉइंट, दैट मीन्स let's listen to the song of words. Listen to the song of words. Say the word why, and we listen to the sounding and big vowels, win, wag, blue, blow, and black. Okay. And the second question, listen to the baby chicks. Chip, 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 chip. Understand? Now write the third point. That means the third part of questions. Let's listen to talk. Let's listen to talk. First, go for a morning walk. Go for a morning walk. Listen to the sounds you hear, like the rustling of leaves, the winds blowing, the chirping of words, the sounds of footsteps. Okay. And the second, imagine that a cow, a horse, a dog, and a chicken are meeting for a morning meal. What would they say to one another? Talk about it. Okay. And the fourth point, that is the fourth type of questions. Share aloud. That means beauty bought a bit better, but the bit of butter that beauty bought was better, and so bought some better butter to make the butter better. Butter and also better. And also do it in your question. The fifth point is fifth point questions. That means you can write, connect the pairs of sentences below. Connect the pair of sentences below using and our heart. First, it is time to get up for a school. It is time to get up for a school. And the second, I want to sleep for some more time. I want to sleep for some more time. And again one, Sela got some chocolate for her birthday. And the second, she got some new close to. She got some new close to. Okay. And again, first, everyone has gone to sleep. Everyone has gone to sleep. And second, I want to read my book. I want to read my book. Again, first, Raju plays cricket. And second, she also plays hockey. Okay? And the sixth type of questions, write it. Sixth type of question, write it. Fill in the blanks according to the examples given below. Fill in the blanks according to example given below. Write it. Teeny, tinier, tiniest. Okay? So big, sleepy, letter, round, small, and also good. It's your homework, and you will solve and take a photo and send my WhatsApp. Okay? Today is the end of the class. So I am just going to stop this class, and I shall make you again the next series and unit 1 also. Next series for next morning. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.